In this video, I'm going to go over how to change a guitar string. Let's begin. First, I remove the string I want to take out. I've removed all 6. You can do one at a time, or you can remove them all at once. If you remove them all at once, it allows you to clean and polish your fretboard if that's something you're interested in doing. If you're just looking to change the string, that's fine too. You can do one at a time. Once we have the strings out, here's the process. We're going to take our string. We're simply going to install it through. So you properly push it through the hole that you need. The 6th string goes into the 6th hole. Once it's through, you just pull. This is pretty much standard on a Fender Jackson style bridge. There's not a Gibson bridge or a floating bridge. A lot of them go through the back. Once your string is through, you're simply going to pull it through line it up on the nut. You're going to get it to the tuning peg. You're going to pull it around the peg. You're going to bring it out about a finger's length, and you're going to cut it with a pair of cutters. 1 finger length, about 2.5 to 3 inches. Then you're going to put a little fish hook on the end with 1/4 inch of the string sticking out of your tool. About 1/4 inch. You're going to put a little fish hook on the end. It's going to look like that. Then you're going to take that little hook and you're going to put it through the hole in your tuning peg. Now you want to make sure this comes to the inside, not the outside. You do not want to wind outside. It will not tune up properly. You want to bring it to the inside, and you're going to hold your finger against the tuning peg so that the string winds bottom to top. As you notice on your tuning peg, the center of your peg is narrower, and that is designed to suck the string into the tuning peg automatically for you to give it proper alignment. All you need to do is press your finger against the washer of the tuning peg. You can press the base plate, but you may leave a scratch if you're pressing hard. So I recommend pressing against the tuning peg itself so you don't scratch the base plate of your guitar. Then you're going to take a winder. I'm using the electric winder because it's much easier. And I'm going to wind the string. I'm holding my finger down. Now I'm going to watch as the string lines from the bottom to the top and builds a perfect spiral. You do want a perfect spiral. Once you get some tension on, you can stop and line it. You can cut, tune it yourself by hand. But what you're looking for is the perfect spiral. See that? That is what you're looking for. When the string is strung from bottom to top, and you have 3 winds on the fat string here, the 6th, then that's enough winds to keep it in tune, and it will stay in tune the longest. You do the same thing for the next 2 strings. You want 3 to 4 winds on strings 5 and 4, and you want 4 to 5 winds on 4, 5, and 6. 6, you want the most winds because it's the thinnest string. You want 6 winds, 5 to 6 winds on this string. Guys, that is how you that is how you put the string on the guitar and tune her up. And then you just turn her to get her tuned up the way you need, and that is putting a string on a guitar. It's not that hard. Thanks for watching.